Good morning, students. I hope everyone is fine and healthy at home. Children, do you know that time doesn't wait for anyone? So, without wasting any time, we'll study chapter 10 Time. Contents: definition of time, the clock, telling the time, time duration, conversion of time. Children, can you tell me what is time? Okay, I'll tell you. The moment when something happens or should happen is called time. The time which has passed, that means gone, time going on in present, and the time which will come in future. This all is time. Types of clocks. First, digital clock, and second is analog clock. Can you guess the clock, children? Right, this is the digital clock. The time in digital form can be written in hours, minutes, and seconds. In 10:30:30, 10 is hours, first 30 is minutes, and second 30 is seconds. Now, can you guess this one? Wow, right, this is the analog clock. The time can be written in years, months, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. The time is either in AM or PM. AM is ante-meridiem and PM is post-meridiem. Here we will understand 12-hour clock system. Our day starts at 12 midnight and ends at 12 midnight. 12 midnight means 12 o'clock at the night. After 12 midnight, the time is in AM. It can be 1 am, 2 am, 3 am, and so on, 11 am. After AM, 11:59, the time will be 12 noon. 12 noon means 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Once the noon is over, the time is in PM. After noon till midnight, it will be PM, and finally at 12 midnight, the day will end. Children, focus on one thing, that 12 o'clock will be either in midnight or in noon. It will be neither AM nor PM. And the analog clock. Analog clock has 12 numbers starting from 1 to 12. It has three kinds of hands. First is the short hand, which is the hour hand. Second is the longer hand, which is the minute hand. And third, the red sleek hand, which is the second hand. One complete round of the hour hand makes 12 hours. And two complete rounds of the hour hand makes 24 hours. 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to 24. So, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. One complete round of minute hand makes 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 hour. And one complete round of the second hand makes 60 seconds, which is equal to 1 minute. Telling the time. Here we have the minute hand at 12 and the hour hand at 3. So it means 3 o'clock. Here we have the minute hand at 12 and the hour hand at 6. So it means 6 o'clock. Children, here in this clock, both the hands are opposite to each other. In this, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. So it is 9 o'clock. And finally, we have the hour hand at 12 and the minute hand is also at 12. So it is 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, both the hands stay at 12. Now we will understand the time with the minute hand. We have the hour hand at 12 and the minute hand is also at 12. So it means 12 o'clock. Now we have shifted our minute hand to 1. So can you tell me what is the time? I'll tell you. The number 12 and 1, between these two numbers we have 4 small lines. These 4 small lines means 4 minutes and fifth minute is 1. So 1 is 5 minutes. 2 is 10 minutes. So time is 12:10. 3 means 15 minutes or quarter past. So here the time is 12:15 or you can say quarter past 12. 4 means 20 minutes. 5 means 25 minutes. 6 means 30 minutes or half past. Now here the time is 12:30 or half past 12. 7 means 35 minutes, 8 means 40 minutes, 9 means 45 minutes or quarter to or 3/4 past. So here we can say the time is 12:45 or quarter to 1 or 3/4 past 12. 10 means 50 minutes, 11 means 55 minutes, 12 means 60 minutes which is equal to 1 hour. How 60 minutes? 60 minutes because the minute hand has taken or you can say completed its one round. Finally, the time will be now 1 o'clock. Earlier it was 12 o'clock, now it is 1 o'clock. Now we'll check out how we can write the time. Here the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 1. So can you guess what is the time, children? Wow, correct. Yes, this is 1 o'clock. But do you know how can you write it? Let's learn it. Time can be written as 1 o'clock, 1:00 or 1 hour 00 minutes. Now tell me, children, here the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is at 7. So what is the time? Right guess is 7:15. Now here time can be written as 7:15, quarter past 7, 15 minutes past 7, 45 minutes to 8, 3/4 to 8. Try this one also. The minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 12 and 1. So what is the time, children? Yes, 12:30. So time can be written as 12:30, half past 12, 30 minutes past 12, 30 minutes to 1. Here the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is before 1. So the time is 12:45. Time can be written as 12:45, quarter to 1, 15 minutes to 1, 45 minutes past 12, 3/4 past 12. Time duration. Exercise 10.3, question 3. A washerman began washing the clothes at 8 am. He took 5 hours to complete it. Find the end time when he completed the activity. In such kind of questions, children, we write whatever is given in the question first. Here, starting time is 8 am which is given in the question, and second, time duration 5 hours. There are two ways to complete these questions. First, we are doing it directly. 8 am, we will show the 5-hour duration, and finally by calculating we will show 1 pm. Or we will show the answer with 1 hour gap. 8 am to 9 am to 10 am to 11 am to 12 noon. Noon because after am it is always noon. 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And afternoon it is always pm, so 1 pm. Finally, we will write the answer. A washerman completed the activity at 1 pm. We will understand conversion of time. But before understanding it, we will focus on few points. 1 year is equal to 12 months, 1 year is equal to 365 days, and 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. In the questions of conversion, we always consider 1 month as 30 days. Here we will understand years in months. Exercise 10.4, question 2a, part 7 years. 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 7 years is equal to 7 multiplied by 12 months. Why we are multiplying, children? Can you guess? Try to guess, children. Okay, I tell you. Year is the bigger unit and months is the smaller unit. So when we convert the bigger unit into smaller unit, we always multiply. Finally, we get the answer 7 years is equal to 84 months. Years into days. Exercise 10.4, question 1a, part 3 years. 1 year is equal to 365 days. So 3 years will be 3 multiplied by 365 days. Same thing children, year is the bigger unit and days is the smaller unit. We are converting the bigger unit into smaller unit, that is why we are multiplying. So 3 years is equal to 1095 days. Months into days. Exercise 10.4, question 1b part, 12 months. 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 12 months is equal to 12 multiplied by 30 days. Same condition, month is converted into days, so multiply. So 12 months is equal to 365 days. Months into days. Exercise 10.4, question 1b part, 12 months. 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 12 months will be 12 multiplied by 30 days. Here also we are multiplying because month is the bigger unit and days is the smaller unit. Finally, we'll get the answer 12 months is equal to 360 days. Thank you children. I hope you have understood and stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.